Hello, this is a quick explainer of the OWL reporting module. Let's start by going to the reporting menu and selecting Reports. Here you see a listing of all the available reports. The first section is called Assessment Reports. These provide information on scorings and ratings at the test, section, or item level. The next section are Response Reports. These return the responses and selections that the examinees have provided. At the bottom of the page we have Class Reporting. If you've organized your domain this way, you can run reporting for students in those classes. Now let's run a report. Let's say, for example, you have a test with rubrics placed on each section and you would like to export those ratings. You would click on the section Rubric Ratings Report. First, select one or more assignments. Next, you will need to define the parameters for your report. The default for each is All. By unselecting the All checkbox, you can turn on the fields to narrow your options. Let's say we want a report of ratings that were performed last weekend. I will run a report of assessments that are not finalized. I will leave the response date set to All, and I will select the assessment dates from last Friday through Sunday. If you wish, you can give your report a name. Now click Run, and you will see that your job has been submitted. Click Done to close the window. To access your file, go to the Report Results page, also found on the Reporting menu. Once your report is completed, it will show in this list with a download link. Click on it, and you will be able to use whatever software you prefer to access the CSV file on your computer. Thank you for choosing the OWL Test Management System.